Now let's do question number 9. Question number 9. The path is given of uniform circular width of 7 meter around and outside a circular garden. Okay. So there is a path of 7 meter which is outside a circular garden of diameter 210 meter. So this is a circular garden. Suppose this is the center. The diameter of the circular garden is given as 210 meter. There is a path of 7 meter around and outside the circular garden. So say this is around and outside the circular garden. I am drawing here. This is how your path is drawn outside the circular garden. Yeah. And the width of the path is given as 7 meter. So this is given as 7 meter. Find the area of the path. We have to find the area of the path. It means you have to find the shaded portion, nothing. So very simple. We have done this kind of sum. So diameter of the inner circle is 210. It means radius of the inner circle (105 meter). Then radius of the outer circle 105 plus 7, which is equal to 7 plus 0. 7 plus 5, 12 to 1. 7 plus 0 is 7 plus 1, 8. God, what is wrong with me? 1 meter. This is the outer circle. Now area of the path is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay, so area of outer circle is pi r square. What is the radius of outer circle is 112. Pi, say I take it as capital R square, this I take as capital R, and the inner one I take as small r. So this is 22 upon 7 into 112 square minus 22 upon 7 into 105 square. Same method. 22 upon 7 you take as common. 112 square minus 105 square. So a square minus b square. So 22 upon 7 into a minus b into a plus b. This should be the method that we will be using it. Now 22 upon 7, 12 minus 105 should give you 7, and plus will give you 7, 1, 2. Yeah, so this gets cancelled. So 217 multiplied by 22. So let us solve this. 217 minus 22. I'll solve it here somewhere in the rough. 217 and 22, 2 sevens are 14, 4 1 2 ones are 2, 3 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 4 1 4 7 7 4. So your answer should be 4774 meter square. Let me check whether the answer is correct. It is question number 9 of exercise 20D. Exercise 20D, question number 9, 4774 meters square. So this is your answer for the 9th one. So answer is correct. I think it's very easy and clear for you. Now I will do question number 10 for you. Question number 10. I'll start with question number 10. Question number 10 is, a wire when bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 484 centimeters square. So a wire is in the form of a square which encloses an area of 484 centimeters square. So the wire was in the form of a square. So area of square is equal to 484 centimeter square. You have to find the one side of the square. So area is side square, which is side into side. So 484 is equal to, say the side is A, so it is A square. So A is equal to under root of 484. So you can find the square root of 484, and the square root of 484 should be 22. So the side is equal to 22 centimeter. This is the first part. Now the second part is asking you to find out the length of the wire. Sorry, the length of the wire. How do we find the length of the wire? So perimeter, if we length of the wire means the entire perimeter of the square. So we write it like this: length of wire is equal to perimeter of the square, right? So perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the square is 4 into side, which is 4 into 22, which is equal to 88 centimeter. So the length of the wire is 88 centimeter. Now the next thing that you have to find, I'll check the answer of it also. Yes, it is correct. Then next thing, or the third part, this is the second part we calculated. The third part that we have to find is the largest area enclosed if the same wire is bent in the form of a circle. So if the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, so the largest area enclosed will be the area of the circle. To find area of the circle, we need the radius, because it is pi r square. How do we find the radius? Now circumference is equal to perimeter of the square. Circumference of circle is equal to perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is 88. Therefore 88 is equal to 2 pi r. So 88 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into R. So R is equal to R is equal to 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Now when we cancel all this, what we will get here is 44 and here is 88. 11 2s are, 11 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. 7 into 2 is 14 centimeter is the radius of the circle. So the area of the circle is pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Now when it is 7 2s are 14. So 44 or 28, whatever you want to do, it is 44 into 14. So I'll multiply this. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 plus 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So add, it gives you 6. 10 0 1 and 5. So your answer is 506 centimeter square. So this is the area of the circle. It means the largest area enclosed is 506 centimeter square. So this is all about question number 10. Now we will move on to question number 12. Now question number 10, last minute, let me check the answer. 616. So I have done something wrong. Let me check again. 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 4 4. Oh, I did it wrong. The multiplication is wrong. 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 4 4s are 16 and 1 17. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So 6. This is 11, which is 1, and this is 6. So the answer is 616 centimeter square. If you multiply, you will get 616 centimeter square. I'll show you. 616 centimeter square is the answer. Now moving on to the next question, which is question number 12. Question number 12. The radius of a circular wheel is 42 centimeters. So the radius is given as 42 centimeter. Find the distance traveled by it in one revolution. So in one revolution, the distance traveled is circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 42. 7 6 are, so 44 into 6, which is equal to 6 4s are 24, 2 6 4s are 24 and 2 26. First answer should be 264 centimeter. Yes. This, if you want, you can convert it into meter also, which is 2.64 meter. Now the second part which they have asked is find the distance traveled in 50 revolution. Why we converted into meter? Because it's a distance. It's easier to understand when we say 2.64 meter rather than 264 centimeter. 50 revolutions. So this is the answer for one revolution. So for 50 revolution, we have to multiply by 50. 50 revolutions. So which will be 50 into 2.64. So 50 into 2.64 is 132 meter. multiply it, there will be 1 0, you put the decimal, it moves away. Same thing in 200 revolution. For 200 revolutions, it will be 200 into 2.64, which is 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 1 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 528 meter. Clear, easy and simple. This is what the answer is. Okay, now moving on to question number 14. Question number 14. A bicycle wheel diameter 56 centimeter is making 45 revolutions in every 10 seconds. Now it is making 45 revolution in every 10 seconds. You have to find out what is the speed in kilometer per hour the bicycle is traveling. Okay, so I'll do this for you. Question number 14. The diameter is given as 56 centimeter. So the radius is 56 upon 2, which is 2 2s are, okay, I'll write it so that easy for some to understand. 2 2s are 4, 16, 2 8s are 16, 28 centimeter is the radius. Now we have to first find its circumference. It means how much distance it is moving in one revolution. So this is C, which is 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28 will give you 176, if I am not mistaken, 176 centimeters. So this is distance in one revolution. Okay, now it is making 45 revolution in 10 seconds. So in 10 seconds it's moving 45 revolution. So in 1 second how many revolution it is making? So in 10 seconds if it is making 45 revolution, so in 1 second the revolution made by it is 45 into 176, because that is what is the distance and the time is 10. Okay, I'm not solving it. You want, you can solve it and also keep it here. You can divide it by 5, reduce it and keep it. Why I am not solving? Because I have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. This is in centimeter per second. This is the distance traveled in centimeter per second, or the speed in centimeter per second. Now when you have to convert it into first meter, so when I convert it into first meter, I multiply it by 176 upon 10. You have to divide it by 100. So this is the in meter per second. Now you are converting this into kilometer per hour. So when you convert it into kilometer per hour, you remember you have to multiply it by 18 upon 5. So 45 into 176 upon 10 into 100 into 18 upon 5. After solving all this, your answer should be 28.512 kilometer per hour. This is what is the answer. So what was given is the distance traveled in one revolution. So it is making 45 revolution in 10 seconds. So in 1 second how many revolution it will make? So we know the distance of one revolution. So in 1 second, it means we are finding the speed in centimeter per second. We convert it into meter per second divided by 100. Then we convert it into kilometer per hour multiplied by 18 upon 5. Simple things are used here. Now I'll move on to question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17 is a piece of wire of length 108 centimeter is bent to form a semicircular arc. So suppose a wire is there with you, the entire wire is bent and then the entire wire is made into a semicircular arc. So this is the complete wire that has been used here, bounded by its diameter. Obviously this is the diameter. Find its radius and the area enclosed. So the entire length of the wire is 108. So length of the wire is equal to 108. What does it mean? 108 centimeter. It means this arc plus this is giving you 108. This means 108 is equal to semi-perimeter of the circle, right? Is semi-perimeter, because perimeter is the circumference, semi-perimeter is half of that plus the diameter. This is giving you 108. So 108 is equal to perimeter, which is circumference, is 2 pi r, semi-perimeter is means divide by 2 plus the diameter d. Now 108 is equal to, this gets cancelled, so pi r. You have to find the radius. Okay, so this is d, which is equal to 2 times r. Okay, this we have to remember. We will take that. So pi r and d is equal to 2r. Yeah, and then so it is 108 plus pi r plus 2r. So you can take r as common. Pi is 22 upon 7 plus 2. Now 108 is equal to r. 22 upon 7 plus 2 is 22 plus 14 upon 7. Now solve the bracket and then move to the other side. 108 is equal to r into 2 plus 4 6, and this is 36 upon 7. So we take r here, 108 into 7 upon 36. Now when you solve all this cancellation, this is 4 9s are 4, 27, 9 3s are. So r is coming out to be 21 centimeter. R is coming out to be 21 centimeter. Now what you have to do is find the area of the figure. The area is a semicircle. So figure is a semicircle. So area is half of the area of a circle. So area is equal to pi r square upon 2, which is 22 upon 7 into r is 21 into 21 upon 2. So 2, 11, 7 3s are. So it gives you 33 into 21, which is giving you the area as 693 centimeter square. So this is your second answer. This is your first answer, where you have to find the radius as well as the area. This is about question number 17. Now we are doing the last question of this exercise, which is question number 18. So let us finish that question, question number 18. So question number 18. First let us draw the figure. There are 3 circles side by side and inside a rectangle. So first I will draw the 3 circles. Okay, and then there is a rectangle on the side, like enclosed. So this is the rectangle. Okay, somewhat like this, named as A, B, C, D. You have to find the area of the shaded portion. The BC is given as 14 centimeter, BC. So BC is equal to 14 centimeter they have given, and they have given you take the value of pi as 3:1/7, which is nothing but 22 by 7. Now there are 3 circles in the following figure. Find the area of the shaded portion. Area of the shaded portion is this outside area which is there when the circle has been taken. This is the area of the shaded portion. So how do we go about it? What we need to do is first find the area of the rectangle, then find the area of the 3 circles and subtract them. Now if BC is given as 14, it means the diameter of the circle is 14. One circle is 14. So there are 3 circles. So this side, this much is also 14 from here to here. So 14 into 3 will give you the length of AB. So AB is equal to 14 into 3. So 3 4s are 12 to 1. 42 centimeter is 14 into 3 is 42 centimeter. That is AB. Now area of ABCD is equal to length into breadth, which is 42 into 14. So this will give you area of the outer rectangle. So let us multiply. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 4 1s are 4. So 8, 8 and 5. 588 centimeter square is the area. So this is the area of the rectangle. Next is find the area of the circle. So area of circle, one circle we will find first, pi r square. If BC is 14, so radius is 7 centimeter. So area is pi into r square, which is 1/7 is nothing but 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. This is what is your area. So the area we calculate here is 7 2s are 14, 4 1 and 50 centimeter square is area of one circle. So area of 3 circle, area of 3 circle multiplied by 3. Area of 3 circles is 154 multiplied by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 2 carry 1, 3 5s are 15 and 1 16, 6 carry 1, 3 1s are 3 and 4. 462 centimeter square. So what will be the area of the shaded portion? We have calculated area of the outer rectangle 588 and the 3 circle here as 462. So the difference between the two should give us the area of shaded portion. So area of shaded portion is equal to 588 minus 462. Now when we subtract, we will get 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So 8, 8 and 5 centimeters square. 126 centimeters square. So these are the things we have calculated, and this is the way we find the area of the shaded portion, which is 126 centimeters square. So we finish here the exercise. The questions that has not been done in the video is your homework question. Thank you, class.